friends, welcome to my channel. I am the soap chef on this channel where we make all things with a rather good lather. I'm going to do a really quick mold demonstration today on our full open rose hybrid. Some of our hybrids do have the slanted sides. Some of them have straight sides. So I just thought I would do a really quick demo on this particular mold. This has straight sides. There's also a lot of really deep crevices and designs on the bottom of there. But everybody's technique and everybody's bath bomb mix is different. On this channel, in one of my videos, and I'll go ahead and I'll link it again this morning in the bottom of the video. I won't link it, rather I'll just list the ingredients that I use in my own personal recipe. And do you have to bang quite a bit? Of course you do, because it's a hybrid with straight sides, not with the angled sides. The angled sides, your bath bomb mold will slip out of there a little bit easier, but it's not impossible. So let's go ahead and just do what we always do. We're going to sprinkle in here and give it a shake. Now we're going to start packing, right? Because it's a hybrid and we don't have a plunger. So I'm just using the palm of my hand. I sprinkled it in. Now this time I did not do my little poke with my finger, which I usually do when we have molds with a lot of details, really deep grooves, or really wide lines on the design. I will usually sprinkle, poke with my finger, and then continue to fill the rest of the mold. Now, let's just get the top of this squared off here. Now, what I will do is I will take my thumb or finger, whatever, I will go around the outside perimeter edge and just give a little bit of a push down, and then just do the same thing in the center. All right, let's take our flip plate, turn this over on the flip plate, and we're gonna have to give some taps on here. Now we're gonna give some taps around the outside. Turn, 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 and a couple more on the top for good measure. That's it, you guys. It's really not that difficult. Take some patience, but I'm convinced that it has to do with whatever mix you are using. Again, I'm going to put my mix down below so you guys can have that. That is what I am using today, obviously, in my own mix. So let's just lift straight up and off with this. It literally comes straight up and off. There's a teeny tiny little bit of residue right around the middle. Hardly anything. You can barely even see it. But this is the finished full open rose hybrid. Again, it does have the straight sides, not the angled side. I would consider this to be an advanced mold, not a beginner mold. So there it is, you guys. Till we meet again.